In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Domino's pizza discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Domino's pizza discount promo code. Go to this website, which is called Coupon Follow. And as you can see, we have right here a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So if you want to get this one with a 50% discount, all you have to do is just select this button where it says show coupon code. And this is a promo code right here. You can tap on this button to copy the promo code, and you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get a 50% discount. Going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Return Me Not. And right here we have a list with other promo codes, as you can see. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with a 20% discount. All you need to do is just select this button where it says show code. And this is a promo code right here. You can copy this one and you can apply it on your next order to get a 20% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.